They broke and ratchet. They don't really got no money.
Come on, y'all. Key light. My turn. Key light on me. I'm like,
Shoe boy, nobody won't look at you.
what the hell?
I don't know what that is. That's straight up.
This side. My turn next. Slide over. No, go Josh. Josh, it's not Racy yet.
I have no
Keep
comment
going.
on that.
It's not Racy. Oh, Racy. What's our Justin's turn?
They so dumb. They call they so stretchy.
Jump. Carry. Jump. Go. No, let's do it.
Like, what did they think they was gonna accomplish from that? Like, that was us. They don't really know what they're doing. They're trying to become a famous boy band. So,
No.